Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMin Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the formula bar on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to hide the formula bar on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. First of all, I just zooming here. So where is the formula bar? Actually, the formula bar is on the top. This is called formula bar. You just need to hide this formula bar. You can just hide this formula bar using some option on your WPS spreadsheet. So first of all, you just need to click on the view section on the top. Click on this. Now you can find option called formula bar. Click on this. Now you can see the formula bar has been hidden. If you are just opening a new sheet, here also the formula bar has been hidden. So simply you hide the formula for every sheet. So this is how you just hide the formula bar on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. If you have any doubt about the common doubt about WPS spreadsheet, you just comment below. We'll make a video about it. And we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.